Gwuckles and J Bird.
Hey everybody, this is Gwuckles and J Bird.
We're going on a shopkins scavenger hunt
Using this not pink basket.
Okay, let's go on the hunt. Okay. There are exactly 12 shopkins hidden out here. And I found one. Found two.
Those were the easy ones, huh?
So, yeah, we're going for the easy ones first. Is there any back there? Oh.
I found one under the grill.
Nice. Found one. You have to step up your shopkin hiding game. You should videotape stuff. Where'd you find it? In here. Here, let's. Yeah, it's like probably right there.
It seems kind of fixed.
What kind of fish?
Actually, it seems like he kind of knew where they are.
We don't. Jack, what are you doing? I found 3 more. He is good at this. Okay, how much do we have? We need 4 more. Is there any back?
He fell off the basketball hoop.
Okay, we need 3 more, including the super ultra rare ultra purple one. We're gonna find last. Yeah, we're probably gonna find last because it's super ultra hard ultra. Jack, I found one. It's in the butterfly bush. We just need 2 more. So 1 pink and 1 purple. If you guys can see some and we don't, then you guys are smart. You guys are really smart.
How many's in there?
We need 2 more.
Oh, I see it.
Where?
You have to find it.
I found it, guys. Put the shopkin back in.
All right.
Saw nothing.
You want a hint for where the last one is?
Okay, what?
You'll find your hint at the beach.
Feature up that sandbox. Here, get it out of there. Yay! The last one. It's probably gonna be all sandy.
All right, let's go in there and see what we got.
Okay, bye. See you
Okay,
now.
we have all the shopkins right here. I'm gonna open one right now. I got this tissue box. Here, let me see what the name is. What do you think it's gonna be?
Tissues.
Tiny tissues.
Tiny tissues.
Okay, now it's my turn to open one of mine. Jack, sit yourself. Cool, I got a piano. You see this? It's a nice one. Quality piano.
And this is mine.
Let's see its name. And I'm sorry, this is like a very bad video. This is Polly Piano. Okay, Jack, open your other one.
This is kind of like a teapot.
What's it called? Do you know?
Nope.
Okay.
Teapot.
Polly Teapot. There's a lot of Pollys in shopkins. So, don't forget to check our other videos like the Bucky song and Bucky bloopers. They're really funny. Our next one is this beautiful flower, I think. What is it called? And it is called Winnie Window Box. What's a window box? Dad, do you know?
Window box is like something that you put flowers in outside your window.
I did not know that.
This kind of looks like a cake. I don't know what his name is.
His name is Ollie Orange Cake.
Ollie
Orange Cake.
Ollie orange cake.
Ollie like orange. Oh, look, it's a little snare drum cow. It's so cute. Look at me. Okay, let's see what it's called. It is called Fun Drum.
And we have this grill.
Oh, what's it called?
Why am I telling you that? I have the list.
I am like not on my
It
game.
is called.
Oh my goodness, where is this thing? I don't even know what it is. It's a mystery. No, it's
BQ.
Barbecue.
Not barbecue.
It's barbecue. B-Cube. Okay. Is that a nice Shopkin, everybody? Okay, everybody. I'm trying to find that one's name, and I can't find it, so in the comment section below, can you please tell me this one's name? It looks like this. Okay?
Okay.
See it? Okay.
Got it. What
On
about
to the
chair?
next Shopkin. It's a chair. It's pretty. I would like to have a chair like that. Now, it's called Claire Chair. That's a nice name. Good for you.
Okay, what's this one?
And we got a cupcake Shopkin, and its name. Drum roll, please. Creamy cookie cupcake. Creamy cookie cupcake. That actually, everybody, is a cookie right there. That's a cookie.
It looks like an orange.
Orange, but it's a cookie.
It's not a cookie.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
What about that
Okay, we
one?
got this like macaroon thingy. My grandma, it's Melty Moment. Okay, when I was packing up all of the backpacks, I didn't know that this one was a glow-in-the-dark Shopkin, but my brother told me it was, and now I have a glow-in-the-dark Shopkin, and I'm really happy. I'll set it down so you can see it better.
Do you want to test it and see if it glows in the dark?
Let's
Yeah.
test it and see if
Put
it
it by
glows.
that light right there and charge it up.
Everybody, we're gonna go see if it actually glows in the dark or if Shopkins are just lying to us. Boom, boom, boom. We're charging it up. This is how you charge it up, by the way.
You rub it on a light.
You make it go in the light. Okay, let's go into a dark room.
It's glowing.
It's glowing.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Okay. Bye, everybody. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment or subscribe. Watch our other videos like the Bucky song or the Bucky bloopers. Bye.
Gwuckles and J